Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to start a special series of videos on testing, validation and debugging skill, and it will involve lot of practical experience, and I assure you that it will be quite informative for all of you. And in this first video, I have considered a particular problem. In fact, few days back I was facing it, and it can be taken as an interview question. Now let me explain you the problem statement which we have to debug. This is 100 gigabit Ethernet card from Mellanox company, and this is its 100 gigabit interface. And it has another interface which is PCI Gen 3 by 16 interface. Through this interface only it sits on any server, host or personal computer. Gen 3 by 16 means it has 16 differential lines. And Gen 3 means each line has 8 gigabits per second data rate. Now if you want to calculate the complete data rate of this interface, it will become 16 into 8, which is 128 Gbps. This machine communicates with the external world using this 100 gigabits interface, which in turn involve this PCI Gen 3 by 16 interface. So if you compare, this Ethernet has 100 gigabit per second data rate and this PCI has 128 gigabits per second data rate. So this is not a limitation. It is more than 100 gigabits per second. Now in my practical problem, 100 gig board was absolutely fine. It was working. And this motherboard and every slot was working fine. So when I connected this card on this host machine, what I observed that when I am trying to measure the performance of this board, I was getting around 64 Gbps only. Now you have to tell me why this performance is coming less. Instead of 100 gigabits per second, I am only getting 64 gigabits per second. So you can pause this video, you can take your time. Otherwise I will let you know the answer. More thing friend, it can have more than one answer. So whatever answer you know, please write down in the comment section. Now let me tell you the answer of whatever problem I was facing. So when I connected this 100 gig card on this host machine on one of the slot, if you observe physically all the slots has by 16 structures. But friends, for your information, all the slots cannot get 16 PCI signals to it. Some of the slots get by 16 signals. 16 PCI signals, but some of them will get only 8 PCI signals. Some may get only 4 PCI signals attached to it. So on the slot where I was attaching this PCI card, this 100 gig Ethernet card, it was by 8 slot. So I was getting the performance of only 8 lines. On this 100 gig card I have 16 lines, but on this motherboard, I am getting only 8 PCI lines. So I was getting effectively the performance of 8 PCI lines, which is 8 into 8, 64 Gbps. But now I am telling you practically, when you connect this card on this motherboard, how can you check that what is the width of this PCI slot we have? Let us see. Friend, this is the host machine where I have connected 100 gigabit Ethernet card. As you know, we have connected this card on the PCI slot. So to get the details of any device attached to the PCI slot, we have a command in Linux which is lspci. So with this command, I can get the information of all the devices attached to any of the PCI slot. But we are not interested in all the devices. So what I am doing, I am putting this grep command. And because we are interested in only Mellanox card, so let me type this Mellanox. So it has detected this 100 gigabit Ethernet card attached to its PCI slot. But this information is not enough. We want to see the width where it is attached. Now to get more details of this slot number, this is the slot number where our Mellanox card is attached. So what I have to do, lspci -s stands for slot number. So this is the slot number where we have connected our Mellanox card. Then I will press -vvv. But if I press enter here, it will print all the details. So instead of getting all the details, let me type again grep, then width. So now you see this was a capability of our slot, and this is actual status. So actual status is Gen 3, width is by 16 because now it is detected properly, and where I have connected this 100 gig card, it is by 16 slot only. Friends, you can confirm the actual working width of your 100 gig Ethernet card with the help of LSPCI command, as I told you. And with this, I am going to end this video, and I hope that it would be quite informative for all of you. Friends, I want to request you all who have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it, because in future we are going to make many such videos. And to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications. Thank you so much for watching.